Painting 1 at Fort Hood Central Texas College campus. This is week 2. These are our portraits and self-portraits. Okay, so what are you going to paint now, Bobby?
I'm going to paint myself.
Okay, here he goes.
But make myself more handsome.
Okay, that's Bobby. We'll come over here. Margarita, what are you going to be painting?
I'm painting my husband.
Okay, you want to hold up for a minute? There you go. Excellent. Okay, thank you. Kim, what are you painting?
Myself.
Oh, there we go. I got a picture of it. Okay. Kyle, tell us what you're painting. Can you hold up your picture?
I'm painting, I don't know if you see that guy.
Very good. Okay, Douglas, over there. Hold up your picture for us. Douglas, hold up your picture. Very nice. Self-portrait, right? Okay. Melvin, what are you painting? Okay, who's the artist? Does it say? Lee Krasner. She was married to Pollock, Jackson Pollock. Okay, Orlando, what are you painting?
Well, I ain't painting, I'm drawing my self-portrait right now.
Okay, can you hold it up so you can see it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, good. Okay. Haley, how are you doing today? Show us what you're painting, please. Faceless lady. Okay, pretty cool. Over there, Shirley. You guys, hold up your pictures. Tell us what you're painting.
Painting myself.
Okay. 2 self-portraits. There we go. One with symbols.
70s.
Okay, 7.
Soul
Cool.
Train.
Soul Train. Okay. Wait, Shirley, hold that up again.
Cornelius.
Yeah.
Whatever the man's name is. Cornelius.
Don Cornelius.
Very good. Okay. Thank you. Alexis, what are you working on?
Frida Kahlo.
Oh, good. Caleb. Okay, Mexican artist. Okay. Angelina, you want to hold up your picture for us? Beautiful. Okay. We're going to end with this. Okay, we got them both in there. Self-portrait. Okay, very good. Thank you.